Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you with another unboxing video here. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Those who enjoy this, I appreciate y'all following along. But I'm gonna make this one kind of short and sweet. Let's check it out here. Waldhoff. Right here, it's coming in a box. Just like that. Zoom in a little bit so y'all can kind of see unveiling. Looky here. That's pretty neat little casual piece. Only casual. Just looky here, looky here. Oh wow. Is that not pretty? This is a German made timepiece here. Really, really cool looking. Because you can see all the gears in there. Look at this, if I can get it out from underneath there. Straps and things. Look at that. Still got all the plastic on there. That's really cool. It's like one of those see-through type. It's not a very expensive piece at all. This is just more of a something that you wear with more of a formal type thing. I thought it was pretty cool. I do appreciate this one here. And I just want to unbox it for you guys. And this one's a blue from what they told me. There's not many more of these. This is the Capital is the model here. Look, they sent you a little warranty card. It's got all the information on there. That's cool. Date of purchase, serial number, reference number. That's neat. So, they give you a lot of cool stuff. But, I'll post some pics, some stills of it. It's hard to pick this one up on camera. But this is really pretty. Look at the back. Look back there. I mean, you can see through all the gears and everything. Let me take this, get this little plastic off of it and show it to you a little bit better on the camera. Well, maybe you can see it better now. Turn it the right way. So this is made in Germany, a German brand here. Now, one thing they did reach out to me and tell me, this is more of a dress wash. This is not something you want to go swimming in or something like that. So, probably wash your hands or something like that, of course, but you don't really want to get it wet. But that's pretty cool. Look at all those gears in there. Everything swings around. I'm going to get wound up and set. This, of course, this wouldn't be something I wear every day, but I do like to have a piece like this in the collection. I think that's pretty nice. Nice little Italian leather strap. I've seen a lot of the watches go to this now, with these leather straps and stuff like that. Let me cut this little piece off here. We'll try it on. I'll let y'all have a look at it on the wrist. Let's see here. I'll tell you, what does it say about this strap? Yeah, Italian leather. I was about to say, because the German watch strap, I guess, Italian. So let's go ahead and try to get this on here. Sorry about that, y'all. Sometimes it takes a little bit breaking in on these straps. Okay. Have a look how it looks on the wrist. See if y'all can see that. We'll set it's upside down there. Maybe you can see a little bit better over that way. What you think? That's pretty different, you know what I'm saying? But I like that, how you can see all the way through it and everything, and see the little gears. Nice little timepiece. Thanks again, y'all. And for those of you who enjoyed this video, just let me know. And if you don't, again, y'all can skip over these. But I do like to do the unboxings every now and again, and appreciate y'all. Please like my videos, give me a thumbs up, and sub the channel. God bless, and y'all have a good one.